is good, beautiful peoples? What is good? So yeah, Afro Arc, baby. Afro Arc. Every day we making progress with this, baby. So, Afro Arc, right? What I've been thinking a lot about recently, lately, currently, whatever you want to call it, is this whole Web 3.0 movement. We are, the way I see it right now, right? Humanity, we're on a bridge. We're on a bridge right now. This is the past and old and vintage, and this is the new, the novel, and the future. So we're on a bridge right now, transitioning between periods, especially from Web 2 to Web 3. So you have Web 3. You got your blockchains. You have your cryptocurrencies. You have your DeFi's and all of that, NFTs. So essentially, I'm really thinking about this whole metaverse item and thinking how I can put my foot in the door with that. So I've just been, yesterday I was doing some research as to this whole digital real estate, which is mind blowing. In all honesty, I saw someone, Snoop Dogg, the D-O-double-G. He made a virtual mansion. And then he'll put his NFTs in the mansion, and then people can, I believe, pay for entrance, and then can look at his NFTs in the mansion. And someone, I think, paid about 450K to be his virtual neighbor, which is ridiculous. And then there was some real estate companies that sold some plots of land. I think one was sold for 6.5 million, and then one was sold for 20 million, I believe. I could be wrong. So I've just been thinking about it, like, because one of my heroes and inspirations is Walt Disney, with everything that he did, from animation, a film, theme parks, and just he was a true visionary. So I look at a lot of the stuff he has done, and I look to implement it. So I'm thinking about this theme park thing, right? Eventually setting up like a virtual plot of land, setting up like a virtual theme park. I don't really know how that's gonna work. I'm thinking about it. But have people pay for entrances. But I definitely will have like an NFT museum, something along those lines. But maybe like virtual games, virtual reality games. But also something else that I'm thinking about is I don't want to be the reason that people are not going off and foraging or exploring the real world. Like I still want to strike a balance between them coming and interacting with the whole Afro Arc brand and everything that I make with the Afro Arc brand, and having them go out in real life. So I might have like a little timer or something in the amount of with the amount of the time that they can spend in this metaverse. I definitely do want to make money, but I'm not willing to get profits by screwing people over. Like I still want to be known as a brand that changes people's lives and touches people's hearts and impacts people's lives for the better. I don't want to screw people over just for profit, just for money. Something that you can't take with you after you're gone. Like, it doesn't make sense for me. So metaverse, I've been thinking about that a lot recently, a lot. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, where this cranium is at.